fudge? One that denotes object are distant or far. That singular, those plural. Words used as nouns and adjectives. Some
Okay, my
words
turn.
may be used as both nouns and adjectives. The use of the word in the sentence determines the part of speech. The end.
My turn.
Yeah!
My turn. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. They are fundamental parts of speech that can function as the subject or object of the sentence. And they can be categorized cater, categorized in various ways, such as a common or proper, concrete or